So you already have a business and you want to grow it online. The best way to get customers, both internationally and in your own country, is to have a website. But after you design and develop a website, the next thing you need is search engine optimization for ranking on Google. That way customers will find you. When they search for a product or service that you offer, they will see your website, they click, and they will order. And the longer your website is on Google, the more customers will find you. But of course, website designing and development and SEO, none of them are cheap, but they are absolutely worth it. So if you want to start your online business, I can do it for you and actually do it very cheap, only $90. And I comfortably say the price because I also just started my business. So I'm looking for customers. We can grow together. I've been doing digital marketing for more than 3 years now, and I've been working on websites, search engine optimization for a year. It will take some time, but then you will have consistent sales online and you make so many online relationships for work because the customers and making sales is only the start. When you build a website, so many people will reach out to you and your website, your work, your business will grow even larger. So reach out to me right now, send me an email and we'll start your online business right now.